Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here is the part 2 of our video series in which we are learning the Korean food vocabulary. In this part, we are going to learn names of various fruits in Korean language. So let's start. First one is the Korean word for apple, and that is 사과, 사과. Next comes the Korean word for strawberry, and that is 딸기, 딸기. Now comes the Korean word for mango, and that is mango, mango. Now let's see how to say pear in Korean language, and that is pear, pear. Next comes the Korean word for watermelon, and that is 수박, 수박. Now let's see how to say banana in Korean, and that is very easy. Banana is 바나나, 바나나. Now comes the Korean word for grapes, and that is 포도, 포도. Next comes the Korean word for plum, and that is 차두, 차두. Now let's see how to say kiwi in Korean language, and that is kiwi, kiwi. And the last one is the Korean word for pomegranate, and that is 성류, 성류. Okay, so today we learned 10 very easy words denoted for various fruits in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.